there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the main piano theme part from Children by Robert Miles. So this was a huge dance track in the 90s. I kind of link a likeness to this with Coffin Dance. I think I actually prefer this one to Coffin Dance, so which one is your favourite? Coffin Dance or Children? Let me know in the comments below, and I've also done a tutorial for Coffin Dance as well. So I've made the sheet music for this. It's just like a shortened arrangement of it, again, which just has the intro, the build-up, the main theme. So this one is in the key of F minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F minor. So it entirely uses those notes. It doesn't actually stray from the key signature. Here is middle C as a reference. The highest note I'll play is this A flat. And the lowest note I'll play will be slightly out of shot. It's a low F, but you don't have to play that low if you don't have those notes. You can play these Fs instead. I'm going to teach the right hand first. We'll just do it in sections. So the right hand plays this F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then A flat, and then G, E flat, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. A flat and G again. C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then A flat, G, and then down to A flat. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So I'll do all that again. And I'm using the pedal. And then we've got this quick. So there, and we've got F, G, A flat. Now I'm going to go under to C. And then F. And I'm just going to stop there for a moment. So we're going to look at the left hand of that first bit. So the left hand throughout the whole song is pretty much just playing D flat, B flat, then F. Then I play this next F higher. D flat, B flat, that's all we're going to do for the first section. So this is how this fits together. So you play the D flat and the F at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. F, 2, 3, 4, F. D flat, B flat. And then just hold that F down. Into the next bit. I'll just do all that again. And then it's into I'm going to include the guitar part. So we'll do the right hand first of this bit. So we've got obviously that lead up and the F. And we've got the A flat, G, E flat. And then we have a quick D flat, C, D flat, C, A flat. So, and then G, A flat, C, F. Do that again. And the left hand, it's a little bit trickier. I just think the guitar part is quite nice in there, so it'd be a shame not to include it. So we've got D flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat. So, and it goes to B flat, F, C, and then you sort of stay on that F, and we've got F, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, G, B flat. Do that again. And you repeat that again, so from the D flat. Use which fingers you feel comfortable. So I'm going to put that together slowly now. And together. And the F and the A flat coming together. So do that again. Have the quick, they coming together, and then the E flat and C. Do that again. And then the next bit goes left together, so F and G. F and A flat together, and then we're going to play, so you're going to need to move that hand out the way because you're going to need to play it with your thumb instead. So that bit's slightly a bit more awkward, so I'll do that bar again. And then you don't have to hold that F on if you don't want to, you can just take it off. So I'll just play all of that section again. So and then we have this build up. So the left hand, I'm going to play really low F octaves, but you can play them up here if you want to. So I'm just going to go low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. If you can't stretch octaves, obviously you don't need to be able to play them at the same time. But if you have a pedal, keep the pedal down and move your wrist from side to side. So that's all you're going to play for this next section, is just that. So the right hand is going to play this. So we've got F and A flat, so you're going to play that 4 times. And then G and B flat. And A flat and C. Back to G and B flat. So that's the first bit, so I'll put that together. So if every 2 notes you're playing in the left hand, you play 1 chord in the right hand. So together, together. And for the next little bit, the left hand's still just doing that, but the right hand is going to go F, A flat, F, A flat, F, A flat, F, and then G, A flat, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, A flat, C, A flat, C, A flat, C, and then B flat, C, E flat, G, E flat, G, E flat, G, and then it's into the again. So I'll just do that right hand bit again. And so with the left hand, that's like this. So they're coming together a lot more often. So together, 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 together. So I'll do that whole section now from this. And then into. So this next bit, the right hand is just going to go back to playing what it played right at the beginning. So I'll just go over the right hand. So after you've played and then I'm just going to end it there. But the left hand, we're going to play, keep going low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, but with not just on the F this time. So we're going back to the D flat, B flat, F chord progression. So D flats, it's like 8 times per bar, and then B flats, and then 16 of the Fs. D flat, and then I'm just going to end it on the low Fs, but you can end it there just so it sounds finished. So I'm going to put that together now. So from the D flat, together, 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 and then this together. And down, together. Do all that section again, just without talking, but still at a moderate speed. that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.